Hi, and welcome to ESL Online. This is Lesson 100, Consonants with One Sound. There are 19 vowel sounds made from the letters A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. It is important to know how to pronounce them and the word families. Since there are so many rules for certain sounds, it's important you come back and practice. There are three important things to be aware of when pronouncing vowels. A, how your tongue should be. B, how your lips should be formed. And C, how your jaw should be. This is a chart of your tongue. Is it in front? Is it in the center? Or is it in back? Your lips, are they spread? Are they relaxed? Are they rounded? And your jaw, is it open? Is it partially opened, or is it somewhat closed? Word families. A word family is a group of words with the same endings. Hat, mat, sat, cat. All these words end in AT. They are all part of the same word family. They all sound the same or rhyme. Word families help us understand the sounds of English and the rhythm of English and how to read word parts. This is a chart of the short vowels. Short vowels are marked with a little half circle above them. And it's a good strategy to remember the pictures. Apple, egg, igloo, octopus, an umbrella, Short O pronunciation. Your tongue is back, your lips are rounded, your jaw is open. Say octopus, Short O practice. Say the words and then turn on the audio to see if you got them right. 1. Hot, got, spot, shot, not, pot, dot, trot. 2. Stop, pop, top, cop, hop, mop, drop, chop. 3. Job, cob, mob, sob, bob, rob, knob, slob. 4. Clock, sock, rock, knock, lock, block, dock, jock. 5. Rod, nod, god, tripod, clod, iPod. 6. On, one, icon, lion, upon, person, complication. 7. Notch, blotch, butterscotch, hopscotch, top notch. 8. Blonde, bond, fond, pond, second, beyond. And 9. Atom, bottom, custom, freedom, from, an idiom. Short O practice. Say the sentence and then turn on the audio and check and see if you got it right. Number 1, it was a hot spot that was on the dot. 2, the chop dropped and I had to stop and mop. 3, Bob had a job where he dressed like a slob. 4, the block party was at 9 o'clock. 5, I have an iPod on my tripod. 6, the lion won on a complication. 7, It was top-notch butterscotch on my ice cream sundae. 8. I was fond of blondes, beyond compare. 9. It is a custom to promote freedom in the USA. Short U pronunciation. Your tongue is back, your lips are rounded, your jaws in the mid-range. Say, umbrella. Short U practice. Say the words and then turn on the audio to check to see if you got it right. Number 1, cut, butt, hut, nut, shut, gut, strut. Number 2, bug, dug, hug, mug, rug, plug, drug, shrug. Number 3, run, bun, fun, gun, sun, spun, begun, stun. Number 4, buck, duck, luck, tuck, truck, stuck, yuck, struck. Number 5, stuff, bluff, puff, huff, rough, fluff, cuff, enough. Number 6, trunk, dunk, junk, sunk, funk, bunk, flunk, and drunk. Number 7, must, just, lust, crust, dust, adjust, trust, combust. Number 8, bus, plus, thus, us, discuss, trust, campus. Short U practice. 1, when I shut the hut, I cut my finger. 2, the bug dug through the rug. 3, it was fun to run in the sun. 4, the truck got stuck when it was struck by a duck. 5, you can huff and puff after run the bluff. 6, I put the junk in my car's trunk. 7, I trust that you will dust the crust. 8, I trust the bus plus to get me to my campus. Okay, this is all the vowels. Say the words with the correct vowel. Number 1, pit, put, pet, pat, pot. Number 2, bin, bun, ben, ban, bon. Number 3, kit, cut, ken, cat, caught. Number 4, lick, luck, lent, lack, lock. Number 5, sit, set, send, sat, sock. Number 6, pill, pull, pal, pal, pole. Number 7, hit, hut, hen, hat, hot. Vowels are letters which are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This was lesson 2, short vowels. Next lesson is long vowels. Phonics, 2 vowels together, long vowels. Your turn. Say the words aloud to yourself and then check the audio to hear the words read to you. 1, boat, seal, load, feet. 2, feel, teal, fail, deal. 3, bay, deed. lead, feed. 4. Loan, beat, veal, sail. 5. Soak, foam, suit, croak. 6. Lay, feel, bait, bail.